Everyone knows the value of a superior crystal clear glass, but who hasn't experienced the effect of glass becoming more and more opaque and harder to clean over time? Why does this happen? Close examination reveals that glass is not as smooth as it appears. The surface of glass actually has complex topographic features. These peaks and pits in unprotected glass attract deposits such as dust, dirt and grime. These get lodged inside the glass surface, together with calcium deposits, inorganic dirt and water corrosion, and attack the glass. This gets worse as time goes on, slowly causing the glass surface to deteriorate. Can this be prevented? Yes, it can, and quite easily. Inspired by the natural water repellency of the lotus leaves, by replicating their nanoscopic surface architecture, a brilliant self-cleaning coating has been developed.